welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid, so today we will build this Lego Creator airplane from Lego Creator 3-in-1 31100 set. By the way guys, if you are new in my channel, please click that subscribe button in front of your screen. Get more video updates. Okay guys, now let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, are you ready to build this airplane?
Yes!
Let's build! So guys, I'm done building this airplane from Lego Creator 3-in-1 31100. And if you like to watch more videos, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. And please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, for more videos. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!